Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we will continue our series about system design of WhatsApp or chat application. Today we will talk about group chat messaging and we explain it. So if this is your first video or this is the first time you see this series, we did create a series that talks about the system design of WhatsApp. We start with our functional requirements, our non-functional requirements, and the capacity estimation. After that, we created a high level design of how the system will look like. And after that, we started a deep dive. We did talk about the database schema design. We did talk about how the user will send a message. We did talk about how the message status will be updated. And now we will talk about the group chat messaging and we will explain it. So, group chat are fun for users, but a real challenge for backend systems. How do platforms like WhatsApp or Slack handle delivering one message to hundreds of users of users, even thousands of users sometimes in real time? So let's dive into how group messaging really work under the hood. So let's just try to focus like that. I guess this is better for you guys. Yeah, this is way more better. So let's see, we have here, let me get my pen. We have, okay, yeah. We have here user A. Oh, this is too thick. We have here user, let's, okay. We have here user A. And let's say user A will send a message in a chat group. The message is sent through their WebSocket connection to the chat server they are connected with. So let's say that user A is connected with server A. So first they will send the message to server A. Server A will contact the group service to fetch the list of all group members. Okay. Basically, after that, we will go to the next step, which is to know who is online. The next, server A will check the user connection cache to see which group members are online and where they are connected. And user A here, this is the third step. Okay, user A will users connected to server A, users connected to other servers like server B, server C, anything, and offline users. So we get all these results. And next we will go to the delivering of the message. So yeah, now comes the real work, delivering the message to every group member. This process is called fan out, and it gets heavier as the group size grows. For each member, if they are connected to server A, it delivers the message directly. If they are connected to server B, it forwards the message to that server for delivery. If the member is offline, the message is sent to notification service to trigger a push notification. Okay, there is also fan out at scale. So in a group of 500 people, that's 500 delivery operation per message. And you can imagine the load when millions of messages are sent every second. This is why many chat applications will limit the group size. WhatsApp currently caps it at, I guess, 1,000 members to keep things manageable. There is also a way to solve this problem. Is instead of making server A sending the messages to server B, C, D, and etc. I have two C's. This should be server B. Instead of doing all of that, we can use a pop sub system to help us managing that and help us creating more scalable group chat application. Okay, so next, I guess we need to talk about the message persistence, like to make sure the message isn't lost and can be retrieved later. A server A will push the message to a message queue Okay, let's wait a minute. Can I just go here? Oh, it doesn't want to go back. Oh, now go back. So will server A will push the message to the message queue, and it will be stored in the message DB. This will ensure every group member, even those offline, can load messages later from the storage. If you want to talk about the acknowledgement and read delivery acknowledgement and read acknowledgement, well, like as users receive the message, their app sends delivery acknowledgements back to their servers. Like for example, server B and server A for delivery acknowledgement. Later, when the user opens the chat, the read acknowledgement is sent. I will not talk about how this will be in details because we created a video dedicated on how the status update of the message actually work. So yeah, that's how modern messaging app handle group messages, but system is suitable for small groups. If we want to have bigger groups, we have to improve this one by using message fan out delegation. Like we can use a pop subsystem, and I guess we might create a video that talks about how pop subsystem will make group messaging even more scalable. So that's it for this video, and see you in future videos.